Hey guys, welcome to this webinar. My name is Marie and I'm from Debutify. I'm very excited to talk to you today about how to use TikTok to boost, increase, and improve your sales. So let's all get started. TikTok is a rapidly growing platform that has taken the world by storm. It's not just a platform for dancing and lip syncing, but it's also a great tool for businesses to reach out to their audience in a fun and engaging way. So if you're looking to increase your sales, then this webinar is for you. In this webinar, I'll be discussing some creative ways to use TikTok to market your business and some cool ideas that you can incorporate into your content and some great strategies that you can use to engage into your audience. Just so you guys know, I'm a TikTok girl. I started my whole career on TikTok. So there's some bits and pieces here that I knew based on how I grew my audience as well. So let's all get started today. First of all, let's have an overview of what TikTok is actually, and there's no denying about their popularity. With over 1 billion users, it's one of the fastest growing social media platforms. But what exactly is TikTok? And I know this is a very controversial topic right now, given the whole banning of TikTok in the US, but it's still a really, really good platform to market your business. So here it goes. It's not just an app for teenagers. In fact, it's a platform that's used by people of all ages from all around the world. The majority of TikTok users are between 16 to 24, but that doesn't mean that older people aren't using the app too. So how does TikTok's algorithm work? Well, TikTok uses a recommendation system based on machine learning. The app uses data on how long a user watches a video, how many times it's shared, and how many likes and comments it gets to determine how popular it is. This means that even if you're a small business, you still have a chance to go viral on this platform. And this is exactly why I love TikTok more than Instagram. TikTok is a discovery platform. So even if you have 0 followers, you can still get your video viral. And there are many examples of successful brands on TikTok, from Chipotle to Gymshark. These brands have used their TikTok to reach out to their audience in a fun and engaging way. And it's, of course, being paid off in a big, big way. So now that we talked about what TikTok is and how it works, let's discuss some strategies that you can use to market your business on the platform. One of the most important things to keep in mind when using TikTok is that your content needs to be creative and engaging. TikTok users are looking for fun and entertaining content. So it's important to keep in mind when creating your videos that you should at least give either value or entertainment in your business, in your videos. Collaborating with TikTok influencers is also another great way to reach out to your audience. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and can also help you create content that's more relevant to your target audience. Hashtag challenges and contests are also a great way to engage with your audience. These challenges can be as simple or as complex as you want them to be, and they're a great way to get your followers to create content that's relevant to your brand. Finally, leveraging user-generated content is another great way that you can use TikTok. By encouraging your followers to create content that's created to your brand, you can create a community around your products and services, which can also help you increase your sales in the long run. Another use of UGC is to make this type of content to encourage people to actually buy from your brand. So if you want to learn more about UGC, I did a webinar about this. And so if some people don't know, I am a UGC creator. So in that specific webinar, after this webinar, you can check it out. I talked about my tips and tricks on how to create UGC by yourself. So let's dive into how we can optimize TikTok campaigns to actually boost sales. First, create a call to action. So encourage your viewers to follow your brand and visit your website or use a coupon code. So this is a way that you will put in your videos to make sure that you can get the desired goal that you have. Second, don't forget to add a link to your product page on your TikTok bio. It's important to make it easy for viewers to find your products and make a purchase. But very important thing, whenever you have a link in your bio to shop, make sure you don't say the link in bio straight on your videos, because TikTok knows about it. And the goal of TikTok is to keep people in the app. So if you say that to head onto the link in your bio, TikTok actually discourages those videos, and TikTok doesn't push that more to that video more for virality. So make sure you become creative about that, like just saying link in bio or head to my profile. Just don't say the words link in bio at the same time. Of course, lastly, you have to track your performance metrics to see what's working and what's not. This can help you make data-driven decisions for future campaigns. So let's take a look at some e-com businesses that have successfully used TikTok to drive sales. One great example, and one of my favorites, is ColourPop Cosmetics. They have over 2 million followers and have launched successful hashtag challenges that have gone viral. So you can see from these videos, there are so many UGC videos as well here using their mascara and also their eyeshadows. And of course, they also collaborate with TikTok influencers to promote their products. Another example is Gymshark, who uses TikTok to promote their fitness apparel. And you can see it's very, very popular because of all the views that they've gotten from their videos. They created engaging content that resonated with their target audience and even launched a TikTok dance challenge. This campaign generated millions of views and, of course, led to an increase in sales. So let's move on to how to actually maximize your results. To maximize your results, consider posting frequently and at the right time. Posting once a week may not be enough to keep your audience engaged, so instead aim to post at least once a day. Other gurus would say 3 to 5 times a day. What I suggest is always just about how sustainable you can make your videos at. And also keep in mind that timing is important, so analyze when your audience is most active on TikTok and schedule your posts accordingly. Another great tip is to conduct A/B testing and experimentation. Sometimes I like to post the same videos that I have with just the first 3 segments different, and you can see how different these videos go. So try out different content formats, hashtags, CTAs, even sequences of their clips to see what works best for your brand. Lastly, focus on building a community on TikTok and engage with your followers. This means responding to comments and messages, collaborating with other brands and influencers, so that you can increase your brand visibility and foster a loyal following. To wrap up, we discussed the basics of using TikTok for e-com marketing, and we covered the importance of creative content ideas. So consider posting frequently, timing is important, A/B testing, and of course, building a community. If you want to learn more about e-com marketing, check out our other webinars offered by Debutify. And for those of you who want to try out our platform, you're in luck. We're offering a 14-day free trial of Debutify and a 30-day free trial of Debutify reviews. And with that, we officially end this webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our social media channels or even on our website. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.